Hi everyone, it's Julie here again from Little Woollie, and we're up to day 17 of our Vlogmas and opening up the day 17 of our yarny advents. So I will just get straight into it. I'm going to do Happy Hank first. Oh, that's pretty. Nice speckle, like a light one with speckles. Very nice. So this is, so there's an earlier, a bit more green based one. It's all looking lovely. Lots of great colour combinations in there. There's a few more actually here. Can't carry them all out. There's some lighter ones. So yeah, we've got a really good array of colours from Say in Happy Hank. Thanks for that. Next we will do Spun that round. Oh, nice, a nice orange corally one. Beautiful. Yep, that's really lovely. And that's going to go in here. It's another bright one in this collection. Nice colourful one. Where's the rest of those? Yeah, I can just about hold them all. 17 of those. We're getting lots of wool now. We're getting to like, well, there's another one, blue one. Yeah, there's not that many left to open, so there's big piles happening now. This one is the Woolen Works from Chloe. Oh, a nice lemony one, and we've got another stitch marker. This one's called Lemon Shallow. Yum. Very nice. So we're going a little bit of yellow into this lot now. There's some yellowy greens. Oh, yeah, got a whole rainbow in here. There's a few more. That one, I think that's part of it too. Yep, so big rainbow happening. Awesome. And I'll do Hedgehog. Beautiful. There's a nice blue one. Blues and greens, and this one sort of sea colours. That's really pretty. Lots of speckles on that. Gorgeous. The hedgehog ones are quite speckly, which is really nice. I do like that. Yeah, I'm getting this too many to hold. Anyway, you know they've seen them before. If you've watched these before, their pile is just growing. Lovely. Then we've got James Made's here. That's his James Makes Yarn. That's his day today for his 12 days of Christmas. We've got a couple left of those to open, so we're nearly at the end of those. And this one is, oh yeah, that's nice. I love how wild his colours are. Beautiful. It's going to be pretty. Think of something nice to make with that. And then over here, this is beautiful big colour. I think I'll take a little picture of them all once they're all open, like each individual set, and you can really see how they all look together. There's going to be some nice combinations. Yeah, that's today's one. Beautiful. So that's the 5 sets open today. And the pattern I thought I'd show you today is kind of really cute. It's called the, I bookmarked it ages ago. I didn't know I showed you this earlier. It's called the Birds of Christmas, and it is a knitting pattern to make all these little different birds that are in the carol, the 12 Days of Christmas. So you've got like the partridge in the pear tree, the French hens, turtle doves, swans. What else is there? There's a couple of others. I can't think what they were. It's on the partridge in the pear tree. Two turtles, 3 French hens, 4 calling birds. I think that's another one, isn't it? Anyway, yeah. So they're all in. There's this pattern. I was going to print it out and show you, but it's actually 50 pages long. So there's a lot of information in it. So I didn't print it out. I just printed out the picture with the one with the picture to show you it, and the cover sheet. Yeah, so it's, the French, here we go, partridges, turtle doves, French hens, calling birds, geese, and swan. So there's lots of cute, yeah, I just thought they'd be really cute on your Christmas tree, or like another thing hanging around. It looks fairly fiddly and involved, but probably really worth it. So it's by Viv's Knits, and I found it on Ravelry. It was a paid one, but yeah, if it's 50 pages long, that's a fair pattern. So yeah, well worth the $8 or whatever it was. It wasn't very much. Yeah, all good. So that's about it for today. Yep, day 18's coming up tomorrow, and I'll talk to you then. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.